Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Vishnu Institute of Technology. I'm currently pursuing specialization of CSE, that is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. And I am instituted to prepare an assignment, capstone assignment, and that assignment is to create a YouTube video to explain fundamental JavaScript concepts such as variables, objects, arrays, functions, and loops. And Now, JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of web and it is easy to learn. Now, we are going to discuss about the fundamental concept of JavaScript, which was mentioned before. And we are starting with the variables. Variables are used to store data values in JavaScript. You can declare variables using var, let, or const. Var is function scoped and can be redeclared. Let is block scoped and cannot be redeclared in the same block. Const is also block scoped but is used for constants that cannot be reassigned. And now we are going to discuss about arrays. Arrays are ordered list of values. They can hold multiple items under a single variable name. And this is the syntax for arrays in JavaScript. And I have also given example for the arrays in JavaScript. In arrays, we can also access the elements using their index starting from 0. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. Array is holds the different values more than one. Creating an array. Using an array literal is the easiest way to create a JavaScript array. Changing an element, we can also change an element in an array and we can also convert the array elements to string. And now we are going to discuss about functions in JavaScript. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They can take parameters and also return values. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. And I have provided the syntax for function and with an example. By using the example, we can understand the concepts easily. Function return. When JavaScript reaches a return statement, the function will stop executing. With functions, you can reuse the code, and by using functions, we can reuse the code multiple times. An operator is used to call the functions, and this is the functions concept. Now we are going to discuss about the objects in JavaScript. The objects in JavaScript are the collections of key pair values. They can store multiple values in a single variable. You can access object properties using dot notation or bracket notation. And this is the example for objects. And we can write the objects in a single line or multiple lines. And the JavaScript object literally is a list of name value pairs inside curly braces. Now we are going to discuss about the loops concept in JavaScript. There are different types of loops. Loops can execute a block of code a number of times. Loops are handy if you want to run the same code over and over again each time with a different value. There are different kinds of loops: for loop, for in loop, for off loop, while loop, and do while loop. And I have provided syntax for each loop and with along with example. By using the example, we can easily understand the concepts. For loop loops through a block of code, number of lines. And for in loop is loops through the properties of an code. For off loop is values loops through values of iterable objects. And while loop is a loops through a block of code condition is while a specific condition is true. And it is same for do while loop also. Do while loop loops through a block of code while a specific condition is true. And I have provided the examples for each loop. For in loop in statement loops through the properties of an object. For off loop is a statement loops through the values of iterable objects, and while loop can execute a block of code as long as the specific condition is true. The while loop is used for this, and do while loop is a variant of while loop. This loop will execute the block of code once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. Thank you, everyone.